So starting the test drive in this Acadia, the 2.5 turbo 4 made it with the 8-speed. I've driven this in the Traverse a few times. I've driven this in other Acadias, and interesting sound, but I do like the powertrain. It's quick, it's fun, and especially with the performance suspension that's included on this Denali Reserve, it's nice to kind of have that sportier feel, even in the tour mode here. But it has plenty of pep to it, so no complaints there. I'm gonna put it in a sport mode. Gonna slow it down just a tad. See if I can give it a pull. No one's behind me. Here we go. So I wasn't flooring it at all. I started out light because I didn't want to do a burnout, but that's just kind of a typical acceleration pull. Not me trying to necessarily thrash it. So pretty impressed by it. Now again, the adaptive cruise is on, so now I can hit the Super Cruise button and we'll be good to go there. Green means it's good. So lane centering, adaptive cruise, and when you have the automatic lane change set up, it will do that as you're pulling up to a vehicle in front of you that's going slower if you have time to maneuver over to the left. But even with this performance suspension, I'm impressed with how well this rides. Very good ride coming down the interstate here. And it'll be nice to have a ride like this with this kind of space where you're getting 27 miles per gallon on the highway. But even on this super windy day, the sound acoustics in the cabin are also pretty impressive. Now I do want to give one more thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this Acadia Denali today. I'll leave a link below in the description. But if you're looking to find something a little closer to home and you want to make sure you pay that best possible price, click on that second link down below and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. Now here at Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro, there is a lifetime powertrain warranty offered. And you can get that when you buy any new vehicle there that is gas powered or hybrid. Just all of the gas powered parts, including the transmission, are covered by that. But all in all, I think for the money, you get a pretty decent vehicle, especially where the luxury is concerned. And you can say what you will about the engine, but I mean, the Turbo 4 is relatively quick in this. It doesn't feel any slower than the V6 in the outgoing models. And I like having a turbo personally. But then also you get the benefits of having the better highway fuel economy, hopefully. I think the outgoing model is getting 25 highway with the V6. And this gets you 2 more miles per gallon. And then you're getting 2 more miles per gallon in the city as well. 18 in the outgoing V6 to 20 in this one. But they did such a phenomenal job doing the redesign, just from the front fascia, the back end, the interior, and then just having, of course, the tablet style screen here, which is basically industry standard at this point. This feels like a $63,000 vehicle. Now, it's still a lot of money, but I mean, you do feel like you're in the cream of the crop in terms of a vehicle, especially in this downpour metallic with this interior here. Love having the white leather. But all in all, I mean, everything fits here. I like the steering wheel. The dash kind of flushed straight ahead, so it's not really impeding on my line of sight. And it's just a beautiful vehicle. And I want to do a sound system test with this Bose 16 speaker system in the future. I might make a short for that, kind of give my 2 cents on the sound quality. But great SUV here in terms of just first impressions. And with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 GMC Acadia Denali Reserve.